ability to understand that even though an object can't be seen, it still exists. That ability begins to develop in infants at 4 to 5 months old. And one of the favorites that we all go to is playing peekaboo with the child, hiding a toy under a blanket, and that child starts to get the idea that they can search for that toy even though they can't see it. I have 3 ways that you can extend the idea of peekaboo with children in your class. One way is if a child, especially if they're sitting at a high chair and you need a fun activity for them to do while they're waiting, is to put bowls on the tray with objects underneath. And that child can experiment with picking up the bowl. They see that the toy's there, and they may even cover it back up and do it multiple times. Another activity that will help them with that idea of object permanence is to have a box with a hole cut in top. They can take a simple object, slide it in themselves. So this time, instead of uncovering that object, they're actually hiding the object, and they can put things in. I created this box without an end on it. So then at some point after they've put objects in the hole, they can easily retrieve them and understand that those objects are still there. A similar activity for toddlers would be to have a box with a cover, and in the morning you can show I have this textured sponge in this box, and then I can put the lid back on. You could hide this around the toddler room, let them discover it and open it up and realize that what was there this morning is still there. You could also see them find the box and then ask them what's going to be in the box when you open that up. So those are 3 activities that are expanding on that idea of peekaboo, but it's always fun to do peekaboo with them